Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You got the link?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good morning. Yesterday we were, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yesterday we were discussing about definitions of marketing. So we were discussing like what is marketing and how marketing is defined by American Marketing Association. So coming to understanding what is marketing management. So marketing management is defined as, so yesterday we had discussed what is target market and how we need to acquire customers, retain customers, grow, how to grow customers by creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. What is superior customer value? All of you know what is creating customer value to that of creating superior customer value. So what is customer value? So whenever we buy some product, customers prefer buying brand A over brand B, seeing certain value in the product which they buy. So here the objective of managing marketing should be creating superior customer value. There is something called customer satisfaction or meeting beyond customer expectations. So if customer has expected something, for example, if Spencer's has promised home delivery of purchases within a radius of 3 kilometers. So if they are delivering it at 5th kilometer, that is beyond customer expectations. So the message says home delivery is free within a radius of 3 kilometers from the outlet, but they are able to deliver it at 5th kilometer also. That is meeting beyond customer expectations.
Okay.
So why we need to create superior customer value?
So that customer will prefer our product.
So we have discussed in the definition that getting customers are not enough. So you have to keep the existing customers and keep growing the customer base. Say, for example, if you have started manufacturing potato chips based in Visakhapatnam, so you are able to make your product. Who is customer for a manufacturer?
Consumer, sir.
No, I'm talking about if you are making potato chips. Say, for example, 1 minute.
Retailer.
Yes. For a manufacturer, so retailer is considered to be customer. So who is customer for retailer? Again, it is consumer.
Consumer.
So within the market, you will be seeing various kinds of customers to manufacturers. So we'll be reading in detail in marketing channels. So these include distributors or sub-distributors, stockists, sub-stockists. Huh? Sub-stockists, you know, wholesalers, no?
Yes, sir.
Wholesalers, C&F agent. Who is C&F agent?
No, sir, we don't know.
C&F is clearing and forwarding agent.
Okay, sir.
So clearing and forwarding agent, if you take example of pharma products, no, medicines. So medicines are sold in pharma shops in Visakhapatnam. How these medicines are, how these pharma shops are able to procure medicines, you will be having C&F agent. For example, Andhra Pradesh geographically located, most of these pharma C&F agents will be located in Vijayawada. So since it's considered to be center point for all of Andhra Pradesh, and from there products will move from C&F agent to distributor, and from distributor the products will get distributed to pharma shops. So again, pharma shops, we are talking about general trade. So there are organized modern trade outlets like Apollo, MedPlus and all. So they will be getting the products through centralized buying function. So they have their own warehouse from which they'll be getting products dispatched to different set of stores. So we are talking about other general pharma shops locally maintained by locally owned people. So these people will be getting from distributors. So other organized outlets will be getting from their own set of warehouses or distribution centers. So when we have to understand marketing, whether it is an art or science. So here it is art as well as science. Why it is science? Because it contains various things such as whenever customers are buying any product, so they procure products based on certain psychological motives also. So all of you, in terms of ownership of gadgets or other IT related products, so you might have seen some change in you in terms of possessing IT accessories or the gadget which you were owning when you joined in first semester to that of now. So over a period of time, certain motives might have predominated you to possess these products. So here, why it is called as science and art is, so here psychological motives predominate. Again, you will be seeing certain kind of knowledge relating to brands may adopt you to own a particular branded products. So when we have to understand what is marketing as a science and what is marketing as an art. So we have discussed in earlier classes the definition of marketing. So we have discussed the role of marketing management, how it is satisfying customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. So here, in case of products which customers buy, so on what basis customers take decision which product to buy? Say for
So
example,
it's from the price,
if you
availability, quality.
Yes, if you feel like having some soft drink at 11 a.m. today, so you'll just walk out of your home. So what is priority is, so sometimes you might have decided to have 7-Up, but if it is not available, you are okay with Sprite. So you
Yes,
are
sir.
not too much brand conscious. So here it depends on having the right product at right time,
Fine.
right place, right hands, right quality, right form, and right price. What is right form?
Availability form, sir. If it is in the form of solids, people might not take. If it is in the liquid form, they will be having.
Here, right form means the product should be intact. Say, suppose if you are buying a kg of chicken from a chicken shop, if it is packed in a transparent pack, will you buy it?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
here, certain products might be requiring certain kind of packaging. So here, right form is the product should be packed intact. So many times, if you take example of how bath soap is packed, so you
Yes.
can see some bath soaps, it will be packed in a transparent pack. And again, it is inserted in a cartoon pack where you see brand logo and all. And certain times you can see certain products which are transparently packed. So there is some science behind that. The product should be visible for the customer to see. So when you buy certain kind of gift items, you will be seeing a transparent, smaller part of transparent paper stick to that, so that you can see the color. So you can see, say, some kind of t-shirts packed in a cartoon box. So plain color t-shirt, you will be seeing a small transparent window, no?
Yes, sir.
So that the customer will be able to see what color is it. So many a times, rather than opening the full pack to just see the color, so the packaging itself will provide us to see what color t-shirt is there inside the box. So coming to understanding nature of marketing. So here we have moved from what was the initial exchange happening between people.
Barter system.
The system.
So from barter system, we have now moved to modern kind of marketing. So initially, marketing is just supplying products to people just to satisfy their needs. So today, marketing means not just satisfying their needs. So it is meeting beyond customer expectations. So initially, marketing was considered to be a human activity. Now, marketing is considered to be a consumer-oriented activity. So here, today, whatever products companies are manufacturing, they should be satisfying needs of customers, changing needs of customers from time to time. So why consumer tastes and preferences keep changing from time to time?
According to the trends.
What are trends?
So if the person adjacent to him tries any new brand, he also willing to try.
Are there any other trends which is compelling consumers to buy more and more new products?
Advertising or else pricing, quality issues.
So here we are in the era of consumer orientation. So today companies have to produce products which are acceptable by public at large. So why products fail in the market?
Because they are not accepted by
Competition.
consumers.
So recently, a few years back, Coke has launched a flavored milk brand called Vivan.
Yes, sir.
So it's in a Tetra pack, but it was not accepted by public at large. Similarly, again, based on the natural availability of the product will also impact product sales. For example, have you seen coconut water packed in Tetra packs?
Yes,
No,
sir.
Are they being sold at large numbers?
No, sir. No,
No.
sir.
Why?
Because
Because
people will refer only coconut
Yes.
water in coconuts.
So when coconut, natural coconuts are available everywhere. So I think to have coconut water, you need not travel more than 200-300 meters from your home. So they are available at multiple places. Many hawkers are selling on the roads, on the carts. And similarly, you can see very big retail outlets like Smart Bazaar of Reliance is also selling tender coconuts right in the outlet itself. So you need to just get the product build. You can have coconut water right inside the outlet itself. So here, consumer preferences keep changing from time to time. So it is the responsibility of the manufacturers or companies to manufacture right kind of products as per the changing needs of customers. All of you know Nokia mobile, no?
yes, sir.
That's
So Nokia was having almost 60-70% market share in 2000, 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4 till 5, 2005. And now in between Nokia got vanished from the market. Later it was procured by Microsoft. So why Nokia failed in the market? What's the reason?
Because smartphones
They
came.
could,
Smartphones came and Nokia was reluctant to launch dual SIM phone. And Nokia was the first company to design Android-based technology phone, but they were not able to launch in the market because of top management issues and all financial problems and all. But Nokia was reluctant to change according to changing consumer tastes and preferences. When everyone was preferring to have dual SIM phone, so Nokia was reluctant to launch dual SIM phone. So that's why they were not able to upgrade their technologies to the matching trends of customers. So that's why Nokia was forced to vanish from the market. Similarly, whatever brands were doing very good in 2000, before 2000, those brands are not doing good now. So you might have seen certain mobile brands which are costing less. All of you might have heard about a brand called Micromax.
Yes, sir.
Micromax was holding almost more than 50% market share in Indian market, but over a period of time, they are not there in the market. So today you can see whatever brands, it is not only in mobile handsets category. So even in TV segment, you can see once upon a time in 90s, 2000, LG was very popular. So today you can see market is being dominated by certain brands like Samsung, Sony, all these brands are ruling the market. So here, when we have to understand what is marketing, so marketing is all related to satisfying customer needs, changing customer needs from time to time. So here, whatever products and services which we make should be satisfying end user needs. End user here are consumers. So here marketing is one subject which tries to create utilities for consumers. Here utility is, so all of us know what is important for the customer to buy any product or avail any service. So there are four utilities which are, there are four different utility functions which are performed by marketing. It includes time utility, place utility, possession utility, and form utility. So what is time utility? So whenever we are buying any product, so we are trying to reach the nearest place where the product is made available. So if you take example of convenience store located in your neighborhood residential location, so how he is meeting this function of time utility is trying to open the outlet as per the convenience of the customer. So he is making the outlet open right in the morning and closes in the night. So that means he is fulfilling the time utility by opening the store right in the morning. Which set of stores get open right in the morning at 5 a.m.?
Milk
General
dairy
stores.
product.
General stores and outlets which are selling essential products like milk, bread, and all. So they are open to public right in the morning before 5 a.m. itself. And place utility is nothing but the business being located at a convenient place for the customers to shop. Say, what is convenient place? For example, if I locate a beauty salon among 5-6 chicken shops, will people visit my beauty salon?
No, sir.
Why?
Smell will be there and the
Economics.
environment will not be good.
If you see many stray dogs on the road, the outlet is surrounded by stray dogs. Will people visit such outlets?
No, sir.
No.
So here, when we talk about place utility, you can see even the smallest pawn shop, if you see in any junction or any location, he tries to choose a place where the outlet is highly visible for public at large, and it is a junction for roads corner. So here place is, so locating the outlet at a convenient place, whether it is a small pawn shop to that of very big retail outlet, he tries to position the outlet at the best possible place so that it is easy for the public to reach his outlet. So here they should be able to easily reach. If it is a big fashion store, again, it should be well connected with public mode of transport so that people will be able to reach this particular location easily. So that is place utility. Possession is, what is position is transfer of ownership from the selling organization to buying organization. So once you pay for the product, ownership gets transformed from the seller to the buyer. Form utility is nothing but the product being made available for the customer to use it, and which is in an acceptable form. So many a times the expectation of different products is different. So when you buy a packaged, say packaged fast food, say you are buying noodles pack, what is the expectation of customer when you are buying noodles, a pack of noodles packet? What is the expectation? So it should give us a simple process to cook the fast food packaged food product. So if it is a lengthy process, people may not prefer. So imagine if every food item is converted to similar to that of noodles pack. Is it easy for consumers to cook?
Yes, sir.
So imagine as of date also, it is not, the way we cook noodles might not be the same for other packaged food products. You may have to adopt a lengthier process. So here marketing is other aspects of marketing includes, marketing is always goal oriented. So whenever companies are trying to sell products which are satisfying human needs, the ultimate, all of you should understand what is top line of any business and what is bottom line of any business.
Okay.
So what is top line? TL and BL. What is top line of any business?
Production.
Top line. Why you do business?
Profit.
Yes. Top line of any business is profit. What is bottom line of any business?
Sales.
Sales. So top line of any business is sales and bottom line of any business is profit. So top line of any business is sales and bottom line of any business should be profit. So they should be, the business should be profit oriented. So top line is sales. So through sales, when we'll be able to increase profit?
Increase the number of sales.
Say if you take example of simple how you calculate profit. So when you do sales, you will be getting some revenue, sales revenue. Sales revenue minus cost of goods sold, you will be making gross margin. From gross margin, you need to deduct operating expenses. So then you will be getting profit. So when you have to increase profit, what you need to do? You can increase sales. What are the other options available? If you increase sales, you can increase profit. What are the other options available?
Increasing the pricing.
Okay, pricing. If you reduce operating expenses, you can increase profit, no?
Yes, sir.
You can, if sales are not increasing and sales are constant. So what are the other options available to increase profit is reduce operating expenses. So when you reduce operating expenses, you will be able to increase profit. So here, every company will be focusing on top line as well as bottom line. So if you want to increase top line, you need to increase sales. If you want to increase bottom line, what are the other options available? So if you are running a retail outlet selling various categories of products like food and grocery, staples, general merchandise, non-food products. So if that is the business, what are the options available to increase profits for the store?
By increasing the sales of the products which are giving more profit and decreasing the
Yes. So you have to focus whenever you visit very big malls, no, you will be seeing some salespeople shouting in the retail outlet, no. So you will be seeing a lot of interactions near to particular category. For example, if there is a luggage division selling sky bags or American Tourister Samsonite luggage, so you can see salespeople asking customers, are you interested in buying luggage? So here, wherever there is a lot of interaction happening, shouting happening in general merchandise category, asking you to buy home appliances or some thermoware, plasticware. So all these are the products which are contributing more margin to the store. So the other option available for the businesses to increase profit is to focus on products which contribute high margins to the business. So that will lead to more profit to the business. So here, other aspects of marketing includes, so today, all of you know what are touch points?
No, sir.
So whenever we are buying any product, so we are seeking information using various places like if you want to buy a mobile phone, what are all the touch points you interact with before taking a decision which brand of mobile to buy?
features we want.
Camera.
I am talking about touch points. So where from you access information, you may log into internet. So you see information directly from the company's website, or you may log into Amazon, Flipkart, or sometimes you may visit nearest retail outlet to see the physical phone first. So customers are trying to interact with multiple touch points before taking a decision which branded product to buy. So here marketing is a kind of system which will make you to interact with various businesses, and marketing is one system which will create various kinds of interactions for the customers. So here these include, for example, is ATM a touch point for the customer?
No, sir.
ATM. Now ATM centers are no more only ATMs which dispenses cash. So you can access various other services also. Today, people are able to deposit cash within the ATM machine where you have deposit collecting machine, and you can, some of the ATMs have the facility of printing your passbook. So there are multiple services offered by ATMs today. All of you might have visited the e-corner of certain banks. For example, Canara Bank has a e-corner wherein you can access internet banking. Also, there are systems installed there. You can access internet banking. You can do a NEFT IMPS transfer sitting in e-corner of Canara Bank ATMs. So these are called as e-corner because there are multiple facilities created for the customers. So coming to understanding various functions of marketing. So what are the general functions which you see in marketing? So what is the difference between sales and marketing?
Marketing is to meet the customer needs.
1 minute. What is marketing and what is sales?
So marketing is to meet the customer's needs.
Marketing is meeting customer needs. Then what is sales?
So
Which function will facilitate sales? So marketing will
So
support sales.
marketing is mostly concerned with customer, whereas sales are mostly concerned with products. Like
No,
making profit.
if you take example of Shopper Stop, all of you know Shopper Stop, no?
Yes, sir.
So Shopper Stop has people working in marketing. Shopper Stop has people working in sales. What is marketing for Shopper Stop and what is sales for Shopper Stop? So how sales happen in Shopper Stop? Only when you get walk-ins, no customers.
Yes, sir.
If you don't get customers, will you be able to sell?
No.
No. So customers, walk-ins, footfalls, these are called as footfalls or walk-ins. So based on number of people walking into the store, number of footfalls entering into the store, so they'll be able to sell products only to those set of customers. So all the activities which are relating to getting customers into the store is called as marketing. So what activities they perform to get customers into the store?
Advertisements.
Advertisements. So you can do multiple activities, advertising on TV, newspaper, inserting handouts in newspaper, or doing a door-to-door campaign about Shopper Stop getting opened in the retail, in the premises. And you can also see other activities like they may do a rally kind of thing to communicate to customers that Shopper Stop is opened in Visakhapatnam city. So all the activities at the back end efforts. So all this will lead to increase in footfalls for the store. So these activities are called as marketing activities. So marketing will facilitate
Sales.
sales. So here, if we are not able to do marketing activities, we will not be getting sales. So in case of retail outlet, that is marketing. So what is marketing for a company like Coca-Cola? What is marketing?
advertising.
What is marketing? Marketing for a company like Coca-Cola. What is marketing? What is marketing for a company like Coca-Cola?
Advertisement, sir.
Advertisement.
Advertisement by a celebrity.
So celebrity endorsements, advertisements in various mode. So today, if you take example of what all methods. So if you take example of various communication methods, you will be seeing some advertisements are paid, unpaid, some communication reaching personal, some communication reaching impersonal. What is advertising here? Is it a paid or unpaid?
Paid.
Paid.
It is paid
Paid
and
impersonal.
impersonal. What is paid personal?
Any messaging or else any email.
Messaging, email. What is unpaid personal?
Word of
Word of mouth. What is unpaid impersonal? Publicity. So these are all various communication methods which are available, which any marketing department functions. So here, understanding various functions of marketing. So here, marketing, many MBA students are confused with what is marketing and what is sales. So if you are recruited for marketing role, you are not responsible for sales. If you are recruited for sales role, you are not responsible for marketing. Some few companies, very small in nature, so they will be having common people for sales and marketing. So they have to take care of marketing as well as sales. Otherwise, very big organizations, multinational companies, you will be seeing separate staff who will be working in marketing and separate staff who will be working in sales. So here, marketing is not just selling of goods and services to customer. It means lot more. So many a times, if you take example of very big corporates like Pepsi, so every brand will be having a separate brand manager. What will be the role of brand manager? So if you are responsible for the brand Sprite, so you should take ownership of end-to-end, right from making the product available to the customer, doing all the marketing initiatives, tracking the sales of Sprite brand across various channels, modern trade, general trade, e-commerce. So you are responsible for end-to-end of brand inception to promotion to sales. So you are responsible for taking care of end-to-end of the brand Sprite. So here, marketing will start with identifying potential market to product development. What is potential market? When you call a market as potential market, Sandhya?
Yes, sir.
When you call a market as potential market, yesterday I have told, no?
Yes.
About taking an example of toothbrush.
Yeah, when quantity and pricing.
So when you call a market as potential market, you need to have buyers buying at the acceptable price and required quantity. So this is called as market potential. So here, marketing as a function, it starts with the studying about what are the product potential markets and how you develop product to capturing market share. What is market share? All of you should understand how to calculate market share. How you calculate market share?
Total amount by number of share. Individual share cost.
For example, we take, say, toothpaste. So Colgate is selling 80 crores worth toothpaste. Pepsodent, this is Unilever, and this is Colgate Palmolive Limited. So they are selling, say, 40 crores worth toothpaste. Imagine Dabur is selling 30 crore toothpaste. So if we have to calculate what is the market share of Dabur, how you calculate? So the market share formula is, so you are calculating market share of Dabur. So that means Dabur sales divided by total sales. Total sales is 150 crores into 100. So the formula for market share is your company sale divided by total universe sales, all companies put together into 100. So here you will be getting 20%. So 20% of 150 crores is 30 crores. So that's how you calculate market share for a particular company. So here, is it easy to increase market share?
We have to increase the sales for increasing market share.
Yes. So right now you can see here, this is Colgate sale, no? So Colgate has 80, we have example, imagine this is AP market. And if industry is growing at the rate of 30% for toothpaste, so next year, what will be the total sale? 195 crores. 150 into 30%, it's 45 crores. So you have to get a sale of 195 crores. This is the total universe sales. So imagine if companies have to increase in the same way by 30%, this becomes 104, and this becomes 52, and this becomes 80 into 30, 24, 104, 30, 52. This becomes 39 crores. So then it is 195 crores. So imagine, so this, you are not you are growing just by 30% over last year. So imagine if we have to increase, if Dabur has to increase its market share from 20% to 30%, how much sale they need to get? So 20% earlier, they were having 20% market share. So if they have to increase it to 30% market share, now they need to do
39.
How much? 195 into 30%. They need to do 58.5 crores sale. So increasing from 30 crore sale to 58, which is almost 2 times. So that's why increasing market share is not an easy task. So we need to increase sales and we need to match market growth. What is market growth? You need to understand these basic terminologies in marketing, which is very important. So we have seen what is market share. So that's how you calculate market share. What is market size? We have seen no total sales of all toothpaste put together. That is called as market size. What is market growth?
30% increase or 20% increase.
So every year industry will be growing at a certain percentage. That is called as market growth. Market size, market share, market growth. What is market penetration? What is market penetration? So if your product is available in 60 outlets, you are increasing it to 85 outlets. That means you are penetrating into 25 more new outlets. That is called as market penetration. What is market expansion? If you are present in Visakhapatnam market, if you are entering into another market, that is called as market expansion. So you can see any big corporates will not expand its business just like that. So based on certain studies, they'll be expanding into other markets. So you can see whatever businesses are happening in Hyderabad may not be the same in Visakhapatnam. Why? Because they may not be having their set of target audience at present. So all of you know what is this? Luxury automobiles. So you can see we don't see all showrooms present in Visakhapatnam as of now. So a few years back, we were not seeing all these luxury brand of automobiles like Audi, Benz and all. So why you see at this point of time Visakhapatnam, it is because potential audience being present now. CR is there in this group.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is CR?
Sandhya, sir.
Sandhya. You note down all the numbers who are present here on Zoom.
Okay, sir.
I think attendance will it will not get updated automatically. You are not mapped on Moodle, no? You just send me the numbers who are present on Zoom. Are you noting down?
Yes, sir. One.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You have next class?
Yes, sir.
At 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock we are having class.
Okay, okay. Thank you.